Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the transformative world of meditation. Here are 5 tips to help you overcome common meditation challenges. Chapter 1. Staying alert. During meditation, one of the biggest hurdles beginners face is the constant urge to doze off during meditation. It's a common issue that can be quite frustrating, especially when you're just starting out and trying to build a consistent practice. It's like your mind has a mind of its own, right? You sit down with the intention to meditate, but your thoughts start to wander, and before you know it, you're either lost in a daydream or fighting to keep your eyes open. But don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Even experienced meditators have days when staying alert is a challenge. The important thing is to not get discouraged and to keep practicing. The key is to create an environment that promotes alertness. Your surroundings can have a significant impact on your ability to stay awake and focused during meditation. Start by finding a well-lit space. Natural light is ideal because it helps regulate your body's internal clock and keeps you more awake. However, if you're meditating in the evening or in a room without much natural light, make sure the room is well illuminated with artificial lighting. A dimly lit room can make it easier to drift off to sleep. Next, resist the urge to completely close your eyes. While it might feel more relaxing, it can also make you more prone to falling asleep. Instead, try keeping them slightly open, gazing softly at a point on the floor a few feet ahead. This technique helps you stay present and engaged without straining your eyes. By maintaining a soft focus, you're less likely to get lost in your thoughts or drift off. Posture plays a crucial role too. The way you sit can either promote alertness or make you more likely to doze off. Sit up straight with your spine erect, either on a cushion or a chair. This upright position not only helps you stay awake, but also allows for better breathing and energy flow. This upright position signals to your body and mind that it's time to be alert and focused. Slouching or lying down can send mixed signals, making it harder to stay awake. And if you find yourself really struggling to stay awake, a little pre-meditation movement can work wonders. Physical activity can help wake up your body and mind, making it easier to stay alert during your session. A few rounds of light stretching or some gentle yoga poses can energize your body and prepare you for a more alert meditation session. Incorporating these movements into your routine can make a significant difference in your ability to stay focused and present. Chapter 2. Dealing with physical discomfort. Let's face it, sitting still for an extended period can be challenging. Our modern lifestyles often keep us on the move, and when we finally sit down to meditate, our bodies might rebel. Our bodies aren't used to it, and discomfort can easily creep in. This discomfort can manifest in various ways, from a dull ache in the back to tingling in the legs, or even a sense of restlessness. But remember, meditation shouldn't be about enduring pain. It's not a test of how much discomfort you can tolerate. Instead, it's about cultivating a sense of peace and relaxation. It's about finding a sense of ease and stillness within yourself. This inner stillness can be a powerful tool for navigating the chaos of daily life. So if you're struggling with physical discomfort, don't hesitate to use props for support. These tools are there to help you, not to be seen as a crutch. Cushions, pillows, blankets, whatever helps you find a comfortable seated position. The goal is to create a supportive environment that allows you to focus on your meditation practice without being distracted by physical discomfort. Experiment with different cushion heights to find what suits your body best. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. If sitting cross-legged feels too intense, try sitting on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. This can be a great alternative, especially if you have tight hips or knee issues. Maintaining a straight spine is still important, so ensure your chair allows for good posture. A straight spine helps with the flow of energy and keeps you alert during your practice. And you know what? Sometimes, even sitting can feel too much. It's okay to acknowledge this and make adjustments as needed. If that's the case, don't be afraid to lie down. Lying down can be a wonderful way to meditate, especially if you're dealing with significant discomfort. Find a comfortable position on your back, maybe with a pillow supporting your knees. This can help alleviate pressure on your lower back and make the experience more enjoyable. The most important thing is to listen to your body and find what feels best for you. Your body has its own wisdom, and tuning into that can enhance your meditation practice. Remember, meditation is a journey of self-discovery, and that includes discovering what your body needs to thrive in stillness. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a willingness to adapt, and you'll find that physical discomfort becomes less of a barrier and more of a guide. Chapter 3. Taming the monkey mind, managing a busy mind. The wandering mind is like a mischievous monkey, constantly swinging from thought to thought, never wanting to settle down. But here's the thing, it's completely natural for your mind to wander during meditation. We're wired to think. The key isn't to stop thoughts altogether, which is nearly impossible, but to gently guide your attention back to the present moment. Think of it like training a puppy. When the puppy wanders off, you gently guide it back to its bed. Similarly, when your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. Don't get frustrated with yourself when your mind wanders. It's part of the process. Instead, acknowledge the thought without judgment and gently redirect your attention back to your breath. Over time, with consistent practice, you'll find that you become more aware of your thoughts and better able to let them pass without derailing your meditation. Chapter 4, finding your rhythm, being consistent and flexible. Consistency is key when it comes to experiencing the profound benefits of meditation. Regular practice helps to deepen your experience and allows you to tap into the full potential of meditation. But let's be real, life can be unpredictable. There will be days when finding a quiet moment seems impossible, and that's okay. The key is to find a rhythm that works for you, even amidst a busy schedule. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even on a crowded street, you can still find a moment to center yourself. Start by setting realistic goals. It's important to be honest with yourself about what you can commit to. Write down your meditation goals and keep track of your progress. Don't pressure yourself to meditate for an hour right off the bat. It's more effective to start small and build up gradually. Begin with shorter sessions, even just 5 to 10 minutes, and see how it feels. This way you can ease into the practice without feeling overwhelmed. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration of your sessions. Maybe add a minute or two each week until you reach a length that feels right for you. Remember, even a few minutes of daily meditation is better than none at all. Consistency, even in small doses, can lead to significant benefits over time. Be flexible with your meditation time. Life is dynamic, and your schedule might change from day to day. If your mornings are hectic, try meditating during your lunch break or in the evening. The important thing is to find a time that you can stick to regularly. Experiment with different times and find what fits seamlessly into your routine. You might discover that a midday meditation helps you recharge, or that an evening session helps you unwind. And if you miss a day or two, don't beat yourself up. Life happens. It's important to be kind to yourself and understand that missing a session is not the end of the world. Simply acknowledge it and get back on track when you can. The journey of meditation is a personal one, and it's okay to have ups and downs. The most important thing is to cultivate a consistent practice that you can sustain over time. By being both consistent and flexible, you can create a meditation routine that enhances your life and brings you peace and clarity. Chapter 5, embracing imperfection, letting go of expectations. One of the biggest misconceptions about meditation is that it's about achieving a state of blissful emptiness where your mind is completely still. But that's not what meditation is about at all. Meditation is a practice, not a performance. It's about showing up for yourself, connecting with your inner world, and cultivating a sense of presence and awareness. So let go of any expectations of perfection. It's okay if your mind wanders, it's okay if you get distracted, and it's okay if you don't feel like you're doing it right. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. The most important thing is to approach the practice with kindness, curiosity, and a willingness to be present with whatever arises. Embrace the journey, my friends, and remember that every time you sit or lie down to meditate, you're giving yourself a precious gift, the gift of presence, awareness, and self-compassion. Outro your meditation journey starts now. So there you have it, 5 powerful tips to help you overcome common meditation challenges and cultivate a fulfilling practice. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy the process. Happy meditating, and if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today.